We have all these bookmark folders, but it is a mess because two colleagues do not see the same bookmarks. And they are all supposed to see the same thing. So how can we fix our existing bookmarks? Well, it is quite easy if you are an administrator on your platform. Watch this to see how it can be done. Before we continue, please go ahead and watch another video I made about how you can ensure that new bookmarks that you create can be seen by all. This time we will fix the old bookmarks as well. As before, a little disclaimer. I'm going to assume that you are working in a company where all users need to see all bookmarks that are created. In other words, if you are a major enterprise or another huge company like that, this tip might not be the best for you. We want to make sure that everyone can see the project bookmarks, but how do we do that? Well, basically the same way we did with the other bookmarks. Make sure that they are moved to a collaborative space everyone got access to, like common space, and make sure that they are in work. The good thing is that we don't have to move them one by one. We will use the Collaborative Lifecycle app and do all we need there. And here you will need to use your administrator credentials. First, we want to make sure that we search for all bookmarks that are in the draft state. We can search like this, search for bookmark with a capital B and a colon after. We will then get a list of all the bookmarks. As you can see here, their icons are different because some are bookmark roots and others are regular bookmarks. Now let's filter the search result. I want to see only the bookmarks that have the maturity state draft. So we go to the tag button, and down here we will select the draft maturity state. We will now change the maturity for all these bookmarks. To do this, we will use the Collaborative Lifecycle app. We will add it to our dashboard like this. Now simply drop the bookmarks from the search result into the Collaborative Lifecycle app. And we will now tell the app that we are going to be acting as an administrator on this content. So go up to Preferences and change your credentials to Default Administrator. Go out of Preferences and then we can promote the bookmarks from draft to in work, like this. In some cases, you might also need to move the bookmarks or change owner of the bookmark before you can promote it. You can do all that from within the Collaborative Lifecycle app as well. As you can see, all bookmarks are now in the in-work state and should now be visible for everyone.